So this one's titled, Which Side is Complicated? It's an identity that we're trying to verify. So you've got the left, you've got the right. It might look like the right side is more complicated, but what would I do with that side? And there are things I can do, but I think I'm going to work on the left because I have something for tangent 2 theta. I know that tangent 2 theta is equal to 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. So I'm going to put that in, right, for the tangent 2 theta. I'm going to write 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Now, it might not work out, but it's a start. I know I have an identity for tangent 2 theta. Good news, I have a 2 here, and I want a 2 in the numerator. Now, this next step might be something kind of unusual, like maybe you wouldn't think of it on your own, but it's why I'm doing this example, so you can see a different procedure. Okay, so we've got the 2 in the numerator, that's good, but we don't want this tangent theta there. Like, how could we get rid of that? Well, what we can do is we can take this numerator and multiply it by 1 over tangent theta. And then that tangent theta will cancel with that tangent theta. Now, you might say, well, are you allowed to do that? I am if I multiply the denominator also by 1 over tangent theta. So we don't usually multiply by a fraction, I guess you might say, but we're doing that because we want that tangent theta in the numerator to cancel. And then we're going to have to hope that something works out here in the denominator. Okay, so in the numerator, we're getting the 2. Okay, that's what we wanted. And now I've got to distribute here. So it's going to be 1 over tangent theta minus, and I'm going to have tangent squared theta over tangent theta. Now, remember what I'm trying to get here. 2 over, I'll just rewrite it because when I scroll, it's going to go off the screen. This is what we're trying to get. Okay? All right. There it goes. I've got the numerator. That's looking good. Then what is this? 1 over tangent theta. Well, that's a reciprocal identity. And so that's cotangent theta. Okay, that looks good. And then one of these tangent thetas is going to cancel with the one in the denominator, one in the numerator with one in the denominator, minus tangent theta. And so, yeah, those look the same, so it all worked out. Okay, sometimes you just have to start the problem and then, go with an idea. If it doesn't work, go back and try a different idea. It's really kind of like a game.